Hey, it's Emily from supplyhouse.com, and in this video I'm going to talk about the FKD series of mixed flow centrifugal fans from Fantech. These fans are an excellent choice for exhaust or supply applications where quieter performance and easy installation are important. They can be mounted at any angle in any point along the ductwork and can be easily removed from the ductwork for service. The FKD series features a straight-through inline design that's available in a wide range of duct sizes from 8 inches to 20 inches. They're made of galvanized steel and have an externally mounted electrical terminal box with a pre-wired electrical strip. The external rotor motor contains built-in thermal overload protection and permanently sealed self-lubricating ball bearings. The motor's enclosed design allows the fan to operate in high moisture, lint, and dust-laden air. The mixed flow impeller and motor is designed as one integral unit, allowing for excellent motor heat dissipation. An FKD series fan can operate at 115, 230, 440, or 460 volts and have a CFM rating ranging from 836 to 6,291 depending on the model. All fans are 100% speed controllable and are suitable for airstream temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. They carry a 3-year warranty and are perfect for commercial and institutional structures such as offices and hospitals, as well as residential applications such as kitchen range hood exhausts. For more information, visit the resources at supplyhouse.com or email us with any questions.